Oh God! Oh God! Oh, let's do it! Oh! Well, me and Danny are here today. Finally doing some fishing. No kayaks today. We're just going to do some basic carp fishing. So we'll set up. We'll go down there, and then we'll get to it. Got my rig all set up. Pretty simple rig. Got my light rod, 8-pound braid to a 7-pound leader. Got my little spring right here. I'm gonna put some bait there. Got my little fake horn, and then I got a little hook that I'm gonna put some bait on pretty soon here. For our bait today, I'm using just Wheaties. Whatever Wheatie you prefer. I like strawberry. You can even mix it with some corn. Get some gloves, put it in a bowl. Just mash it up, and then once you're done, you should have a little ball, and then you just take it fishing. So I'm gonna put a little bit of cereal at the very end of my hook here. Okay, so everything's ready. I got my bait ball on top. I got my fake corn. I got my little hook with a little bit of my sticky recipe for my bait ball. We're gonna go toss it out there, and then let's see if we can catch anything. Oh God! Oh, let's go! Oh! Wait, I want to put the corn. The fake corn? Oh, the real corn? Real corn. Okay. First one. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, stuck. It's stuck? Damn. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh, came off? Man. Ah, damn. Damn. That was a good one, bro. No, it was good. Ooh, it's fighting. Damn. Look at it. It's amazing. Here we go. Another carp. Ooh, good one. Good one. Good one. There you go. Here we go. Another small carp. Been carp for days. Look like it. Oh my gosh, they're so small, dude. Look at that. Well, bam, beautiful. Okay. Tiny baby one though. Whoa. We found that the carps are really close up to shallow, so literally give or take 5 feet out. So literally just right there. And that's where all the carp is at. Literally sinks to the bottom like 2 seconds. Make the line a little tight here. We'll put it on the trapper, and then we'll go back there and we'll wait.
Just that one spot right there. Super shallow. Got it.
What was that, cereal?
This is corn.
Corn?
Oh, it's corn.
Let's see. Maybe just a little bigger one.
A little bit bigger. There's the fish right there. All right. Fake corn. Fake corn.
That's it? Fake corn?
The fake corn.
Literally just fake corn?
Oh no, with the bait ball I used.
But the bait ball and the fake corn.
Fake corn.
So fake horn does work.
It does work. Look at that. Go proud. Your $9 was worth it. The $9 we spent on this corn, it was worth it.
Coin that the corn that will never go bad.
Never go bad. There you go.
Wow.
Are you ready?
Yep. Damn.
I like it. Ah, yeah. Just take that one. Okay, there you go. We're gonna take this one home. We're gonna eat.
Good. Okay, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's time for us to go home. Just remember, right? Pack it in, pack it out, okay? You're not the only one fishing. We're all fishing. We're all enjoying the outdoors. So make sure if you bring it in, bring it out. All right. So let's go home. Ready?
Sure.
Okay, let's go home.